Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiggy. I am back to you today with a very simple how to get some cute fonts for free. I do create my own fonts. You need a font creator to create your own fonts. It can cost about $100. So this is just an ultimatum. Of course, the fonts are not going to be as cute because sometimes they don't have, like the little hearts and those and things like that. But this is just a way to help you guys be able to get some cute fonts and switch up as many times as you want, whenever you want. Also, keep in mind, this is just a disclaimer. The way that I upload fonts, you need Theme Galaxy. So if you cannot get that app on your phone, you cannot use the custom fonts the way that I upload them. I'm not too sure if there's a different way. I know on Android Oreo, if you have a Galaxy, you need to have that app in order to do that without rooting. So that is why I'm showing you guys how to do it this way. So first things first, what you need to do is watch my first video of how to upload fonts. Then come back to this because that first video has pre-work that y'all know I am known for, to set everything up so you don't have to continuously have to keep setting things up or going back and forth between videos. So go click on that video first, then come back to this one. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me and inbox me your Telegram name. I created a Telegram Android help group for us all to kind of communicate and for everyone to be able to get a hold of me a lot easier. So I will definitely drop the link for that app down below. Once you set it up, follow me on Instagram and inbox me your name. If you want to talk to me, you are more than welcome to, but you don't really need to tell me like what it's for or something because I've already let you know. Just give me your name. We'll add you in the group. We can go ahead and keep chatting from there. But let's get to it. So the biggest website that everyone usually knows of when creating fonts is called dafont.com, which I will link below as well. That is the website that I personally use whenever I don't feel like creating my own font. Just because when you create your own font, it can be very tedious. Not everything works like the way that you want it to, so you have to consistently go back and just double check your work. So I'm going to show you guys how to get some cute fonts. So I'm just going to go to dafont.com and pick a font that is just on this page here. I like this Queen one. So we're going to go ahead and download that. You can open it and you'll need to go into, it won't open, you have to unzip it. So just go to your downloads. If you don't know how to get here, you need to look for the My Files app if you're on Oreo or if you're on a different Galaxy, but a different software. You don't have Oreo yet. It should say Files. It's an app that you can get a hold of all your files. So you're going to go to My Files and you're going to see that it'll bring you up to this page, and you're going to go ahead and click on downloads, and the font will be at the very top. You're going to click and hold on it and go back. You're going to just press on it and you're going to unzip it. The file that you'll need is the one that ends in .ttf. So what you're going to do is copy this onto your internal storage. You're going to scroll down to your theme Galaxy. You're going to hit fonts, you're going to hit custom, and you're going to drop it in there. Once you drop it in there, you're going to go into the Theme Galaxy app, and you're going to go ahead and build custom font from TTF. You're going to click on the first option, and you're going to scroll and look for that font you just added to the folder. You're going to hit build. Remove the spaces and random characters. You're going to build, you're going to install. Once you do that, you're going to restart your phone, and you are going to see that this will be right in your settings under fonts. You'll be able to pick it and go ahead and set it. This will work all over your phone. There are certain applications that the font will not carry over, and that's just because the application was set up to not allow a font change. So that is okay. But like Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, apps like that, they will all be changed. Your text messaging font, things like that. But I hope you guys have a blessed day. If you have any suggestions, definitely get a hold of me, whether it be Telegram, Instagram, or dropping a comment down below, and we can go ahead and kick out some more how-to videos. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.